In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your dividend payments on Robinhood and understand how dividends work when you own stocks. If you're a Robinhood user who's curious about earning extra income through dividends, or you just received a notification and you're wondering where that money came from, this guide will help you get a clear picture. To start, head over to robinhood.com on your computer and log in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your stocks and investments are listed. Find and click on any stock that you own. This will take you to the stock's detail page. Here, Robinhood provides you with important information about your stock, including something called dividend. If the company issues dividends, you'll see the dividend amount as well as the date when it's paid right under the stock's details. But what exactly is a dividend? A dividend is a payment that certain companies make to their shareholders, usually drawn from their profits. It's basically a way for companies to share a portion of their earnings with you for owning their stock. However, not every company pays dividends. Some prefer to reinvest all their profits back into the business. So, if you want to earn dividends, make sure you're investing in companies known for paying them. There are two key dates to keep in mind when it comes to dividends: the ex-dividend date and the pay date. The ex-dividend date is crucial. In order to qualify for a dividend payment, you need to own shares of the stock before this ex-dividend date. If you buy the stock on or after the ex-dividend date, you won't receive that particular dividend payment. Once you've met the requirement, then comes the payday. This is when the company actually distributes the dividend. Luckily, Robinhood makes this process really easy for you. On the pay date, they automatically deposit the dividend money straight into your account, so you don't have to do a thing. If you want to see a history of all your dividend payments, just navigate to the top right corner of your Robinhood dashboard and click on Account. This will open a menu. Here, select History. In your account history, there's a specific section labeled Dividends. Click on this and you'll see a detailed list of all the dividend payments you've received, including the dates and amounts. This is a great way to track how much passive income your investments are generating. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll always know when you're getting dividends and can easily keep track of them in your Robinhood account. Thanks for watching and happy investing.